You may have watched a lot of tutorials on YouTube after your Binance verification has been failed or your Binance verification unsuccessful. But none of these tutorials actually worked because all of these people are posting these videos just for gaining their views and they do not know the actual solution. But now you're finally on the right video and I will tell you a very simple solution that will solve your issue in just a minute. So what you have to do is you have to first of all open up your Instagram application. Yes, you heard me right. If you do not have an Instagram account, I will tell an alternative at the end. So after opening the Instagram account, you have to go to this search button available next to the home button. And after going into this search bar, you have to watch carefully from here because you have to write exactly the same spellings as I am writing. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works the same on both devices. So you have to write here, how to official 0. And now if you have written the right spellings exactly like me, then this Instagram account will appear up. So you have to tap on it. And after that, you have to tap on this message button available on this profile. And after going into this message section, write a message, my Binance account verification is being failed. Or you can write any of the verification issue that you are facing and just send this message. This is my Instagram account and as soon as you message me, I will help you bypass this verification issue. Of course, just in the return of a very little amount of money. Don't just leave the video. I'll not ask to charge you until your issue gets solved. You can also rent my Binance account for trading or any purpose that you want. You can also purchase a pre-verified, ready-to-use Binance account. All you have to do is just message me. And if you think I'm just a scam or I'm just lying, let me show you some proofs. Here's a client I had provided my other services to her and you can see that she is satisfied. And as this message is from 2023, it means I have been providing my services from a very long time. And here's another one. You can see that he's also saying a thanks to me after providing my services. And after that, he had sent me a payment. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services and I have successfully provided them. You too will gain trust on me when you'll message me on my Instagram account. Now, if you do not have an Instagram account to contact me, just let me know in the comments and I will provide another contact of me like WhatsApp or Telegram or any of the social media that you are convenient to use. So I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.